Yo, got the hands up, build the power, master the craft, this is your hour. Life RX, we break the mold, turn raw skills into hands of gold. Learn the lines, kinetic flow, move the pain, let healing grow. Not just touch, we fix the guide, master in motion, changing lives. Hands of mastery, soul of fire, life RX, we climb higher. Build your skill, build your fate, be the one, don't hesitate. Hands of mastery, skill and drive, change your world, come alive. Touch, heal, rise, create, be a master, don't be late. From posture checks to deep release, we map the body, we find the peace. Stretch the pain, free the chain, lift your hands, break the strain. Delta strength, Maya's map, Cook's motion, we bridge that gap. From the table to the world outside, we heal with heart, we heal with pride. Manual wisdom, flow through veins. Posture restored, free in pain. Business smart, client care tight. Building the future, shining bright. Hands of master, soul of fire, life RX, we climb higher. Build your skill, build your fate, be the one, don't hesitate. Hands of master, skill and drive, change your world, come alive. Touch, heal, rise, create, be a master, don't be late. Hands of mastery, soul of fire, life RX, we climb higher. Build your skill, build your fate, be the one, don't hesitate. Hands of mastery, skill and drive, change your world, come alive. Come alive, come alive, change your world, come a legacy. Yo, this is your time, your hands, your future. Mastery is not given, it's built. Welcome to Life RX. Build skill, build income, build legacy. Yo.